Welcome to Holz Rubber Types of Piping Expansion Joints Training. Spool, arch, or pipe joints are used in applications where liquids and gases are being transferred under pressure. They are made of various elastomers and reinforcements and are available in standard and custom sizes and configurations. This is a single arch spool type joint. It is built with integral flanges and contains rubber, fabric, and metal reinforcement. It is used in applications that require minimal movement and vibration control. This is a multiple arch style spool joint for applications that require maximum movement and greater overall length. For each additional arch, the movement capability of the joint increases. Lightweight spool expansion joints are built to work in systems where damage to equipment and flanges may occur if the joint is too rigid. Typically, this style is used on flanges that are made of fiberglass reinforced plastic or other lightweight flange materials. Wide arch spool joints are built with a large open arch that extends almost the entire width of the expansion joint. This style is used in applications where there is limited space but a need for a joint that can withstand greater movement than a standard narrow arch. Both molded and custom spool joints can be built with a PTFE or FEP liner to improve their resistance to harsh chemicals. This liner is embedded in the tube or inside of the expansion joint, and the elastomer and reinforcements are built around it. For severe corrosive environments, a 100% PTFE molded expansion joint with ductile iron flanges can be used. These are available in multiple arch configurations and come with built-in control rods to prevent overextension. A filled arch joint is used in applications where abrasive media or turbulence could cause the expansion joint to wear prematurely. The filled arch is made from the same elastomer as the joint but does not contain reinforcement. This detail allows the expansion joint to perform as required, but the overall movement capability of the joint will be reduced by 50%. Tapered spool joints are used where two different flange sizes connect to one expansion joint. These can be used to connect non-standard equipment to standard piping, or when changing from one size pipe to another. Concentric joints have a common axis at the center of the joint, and eccentric tapers have a common axis along the edge of the joint. Spool joints can also be manufactured with an enlarged end, where one flange size is larger than the other without any taper. This type is typically used when connecting non-standard equipment to standard pipe flanges. As equipment ages, it is subject to settling and can become misaligned. Spool-type expansion joints are a great solution to help make up for this misalignment. Spool joints can be engineered custom with a built-in offset to match the equipment misalignment. This is to reduce the strain that a straight expansion joint may experience. Sleeved spool joints are banded in place with metal straps instead of flanged connections for installation. Sleeved joints are a good solution for low to medium pressure applications. Vibration dampeners are designed specifically to reduce vibration and noise in pumps, compressors, and other similar equipment. This style does not have any arches built into the body, but the natural properties of rubber are able to absorb great amounts of vibration. We hope you found this segment educational. Please contact Holz Rubber for more information.